What if one simple sewing project could make your sewing room feel more organized, more beautiful, and a whole lot more fun to walk into? I went down a Pinterest rabbit hole and pulled together a list of some of the most clever, practical, and downright inspiring things you can sew for your sewing space. These ideas aren't just pretty, they're the kind of projects that make your whole setup work better for you. Every item you're about to see came straight from Pinterest, and I've made it easy for you to explore them further. There's a Pinterest board linked in the description with all of these ideas saved for you, along with references and patterns when they're available. Now, here's the fun part. I want you to vote. As you're watching, keep track of the idea that stands out to you the most and drop it in the comments. Once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning project in my own style. And you know, I'm going to add a little extra flair to it. So watch closely. Your next favorite sewing project might be right here. There's something really powerful about creating beauty with what you already have. Not running out to buy more, not waiting for the perfect supplies, just looking around your sewing room and seeing possibility instead of limitation. Because if you've been sewing for any amount of time, you already have a little treasure stash. Scraps you couldn't throw away, pieces you saved just in case, fabrics with stories behind them. And sometimes, those are the very things that turn into your most meaningful projects. What I love about these ideas is that they remind you, you don't need a big budget to have a beautiful, functional space. You don't need matching bins or a perfectly styled room. You can take what you already own and turn it into something that feels intentional, personal, and completely yours. A small organizer made from leftover fabric, a pin cushion from scraps, a storage piece that solves a problem you deal with every single day. Those little changes add up. And there's a kind of confidence that comes with that. When you stop thinking, I don't have enough, and start thinking, what can I do with this? Everything shifts. You become more creative, more resourceful, and honestly, more proud of what you make. Because it didn't come from a store, it came from you. So as you're watching these ideas, don't just see what they are. Start thinking about what you already have that could become something like this. Because chances are, your next favorite project isn't something you need to go buy. It's something already sitting right in your sewing room, just waiting for you to bring it to life.